Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Melbourne Museum's Insect Collection. Melbourne Museum's insect collection is showcased through its world-class entomology holdings and the interactive Bugs Alive exhibition, offering both preserved specimens and live invertebrates to explore biodiversity, ecology, and conservation. The museum's entomology section is part of Museums Victoria's extensive insect collection, which includes preserved specimens, research materials, and curated displays such as the George Lyell collection of Australian moths and butterflies. Museums Victoria. This collection supports scientific research, education, and public engagement, with highlights like native bee studies, beetle species, and rare or threatened invertebrates. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. The Bugs Alive exhibit is the museum's flagship insect display. Museums Victoria. It combines live enclosures with active insects, spiders, snails, and other invertebrates, such as green tree ant colonies, mantids hunting prey, and aquatic insects. Preserved specimens including beetles, butterflies, and record-holding insects in the Insect Hall of Fame. Educational displays on feeding, breeding, ecological roles, and myths about insects, plus giant models of mouthparts and body systems. Quarantine room with rare exotic tarantulas and local species like redbacks and orb weavers. The exhibit is designed to engage all ages, turning potential fear of creepy crawlies into fascination, and to illustrate the vital role of arthropods in ecosystems. www.wonderfulmuseums.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Visiting information, location, Melbourne Museum, 11 Nicholson Street, Carlton, Vic. Museums Victoria. Hours, daily 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Check before visiting Museums Victoria. Tickets, adult $18, senior $12, children 16 and under free. Members free. Museums Victoria. Special note, kids 16 and under visit free. Live displays change regularly, so each visit offers new experiences. Museums Victoria. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Why it's significant. The collection and exhibition together make Melbourne Museum a key destination for entomology in Australia, blending scientific rigor with accessible, hands-on learning. It's both a research resource and a public education platform, highlighting the diversity and importance of insects, spiders, and other invertebrates. www.wonderfulmuseums.com+2. If you want to explore the insect world in Melbourne, Bugs Alive and the museum's entomology collection offer a unique, immersive experience. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.